Hello guys, today I'm going to go over the progress that I've made on the receiver side for the Bluetooth project. First I want to go over just kind of a general description of what I've got here. So what the main demo is today is showing the Raspberry Pi connected to the Bluetooth module and the user interface associated with that. However, for this setup I'm using an Arduino hooked to another Bluetooth module that will eventually be replaced with the Bluetooth system on the drill itself. So this is what I've got. I like Brian's idea for a display, so I went ahead and found one, and it just hooks in via SPI. Now this Bluetooth module, it's very simple. It's just a UART connection, and because those pins are blocking it, I had to solder it into the bottom. So all that's connected to this right now is a keyboard. Of course, for the end user, it would just run a little script on startup to run the program directly. Now over here, what it's connecting to is the slave device, or what will be the drill. Again, I've got another one of these modules for testing, and then it's just hooked up to the Arduino, which on my computer is just connected to a COM port that's just open and waiting for a signal from the Raspberry Pi, which is acting as the central device. So I've also got a flash drive here, and it's empty. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to unplug it and plug it in to the Raspberry Pi. Hard to do one-handed. So it's going to download all of the data that we send over from the Arduino to the Raspberry Pi. It's going to download onto a flash drive so that we can plug it into whatever other computer that the drillers would want to put it into. So I guess let's get started here. So I'm going to go ahead, because I have to type, so kind of got Alright, I apologize for that brief pause there. I accidentally hit the stop button. So I'm going to go ahead, and I've got it set up here so that you can see what's on this display, and I'll go ahead and pick up my phone and show you the display when I type something over there. But for now, I'll just set it up. Okay, so I'm about to run the script that starts it up. So here we go. So it's now configuring the Bluetooth module. So it's asking to start, so it found it. And it's trying to connect, and it was able to connect. So now both of these little lights on the Bluetooth modules are green. This one's got a blue one too. So we now have connection, so we can now talk to them. So I can type here something like hello, and then over here hello shows up. Okay, so that's all well and good. Of course, on the drill itself, it would, be sending a lot faster and that kind of thing. But I thought, having some sort of message system would be good. So what I did was I went ahead and implemented reserve words, and what I mean by that is I delineate a word by an exclamation point in the beginning of it, like for example exclamation OK up here. So this would be the drill sending exclamation OK to this receiver. Oops. I hit the wrong keyboard. And it would send a message. So the drill has indicated that all systems are functioning normally. So that's good for a positive case, but then we could do something along the lines of exclamation bat low, which would give us something like this. Warning, the drill has indicated that the onboard batteries are low. So it can be used to quickly send a message that's parsed on the receiver side. So that can also be used as a stop. Alright, plug it into my computer. And let it focus. Alright, drill log. Let's go ahead and open it in Notepad++ so we can see the new lines. There, we sent hello, hi, okay, bat low, and stop. So see, all the data can be logged into this file, which is automatically downloaded onto the flash drive and then can be put into the driller's computer.